Just in on trade, here we have a 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. This car, ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you is as good as it looks in the pictures and the video here. This car is laser straight. Only 1,200 miles on the restoration of this car. And you will see, here I'll give you a shot down the side here. Notice the reflections there. The car's laser straight. It's got the correct rally wheels, red line tires on it. In fact, the tires still have the stickers on them. The tires are near new yet. Take a look at the grill bar and headlights and everything. Now, this car came to us on trade just the way you see it. And you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. These A-body GM cars have really taken off and are very, very popular with, obviously, you can see why. Awesome looking car. All the chrome, stainless on this car is in very, very, very good and restored condition. I have to apologize, there's a little bit of construction going on in the background here, so bear with me. Now, this car is powered by a 400 V8. It's an E code, which you could only get 66, 67, 442, while technically ordering the Turnpike Cruisers. But it was a 66, 67 only 400 block. And the car absolutely runs and drives as good as it looks. We'll get a look at the... Naturally, during the restoration, all of the rubber seals and gaskets and things like that were replaced, as you can see. Very clean underneath there as well. You can see the door sill is good shape. Looking underneath here, you can see everything straight, nice and tidy as well. The interior is absolutely amazing. The black interior done correctly. This car actually has factory tilt wheel, which you don't see very often on these cars. Odometer showing 1,243 miles. That was reset when the restoration was done, so there's 1,200 miles on the restoration. Has the rally, or some call the tick-tock-tack, and that does work. And naturally, the power convertible top switch is up there. The dash and everything obviously has been restored or replaced. No cracks or anything like that in there as well. Bucket seats, they're very hard to find. 442 manual console, 67. These are hard to come by, they break. This one is in very, very good condition with the correct plate right there. Little known fact is underneath these, a lot of times the Oldsmobile, they were printed into the console with the 3-speed pattern, because that's what the standard transmission was, and the 4-speed cars had this placard put over the top. Just a little tidbit of information there for you. But again, the bucket seats, the upholstery, of course, is all new as well. Seat belts, so you can take the kids or adults if you want to have them buckled in just safely. The boot is in nice shape as well. The convertible top is new. Again, you can see the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll hop in and fire it up here for you. Here you can see the tack working as it should. Okay, that's the emergency brake warning light. If you left the brake on, that'll show up for you, so you know that you left it on. You can see even the dome lights are working down there. Like I said, they did a great job on this car, and it shows. Take a peek under the hood here for you. Notice the hood that has the louvers in it, that is also correct. 442 only. A regular Cutlass would have had just a flat hood. The 442 is the only one that had the louvered hood. Under the hood, we have power steering and power brakes. Also, as I mentioned, you have an E code 400 cubic inch V8 that is correct for this car as well. And the car's got a nice sound to it, nothing obnoxious, just a nice little rumble to it that lets you know that it is indeed a muscle car. Again, as I'm looking at this, you can look, see the reflection there. Again, the paint on this car is absolutely stunning. Nice rumble. I want you to take a look at this rear bar here too. A lot of times on these 442s, this is pot metal and they're all pimply and kind of pocked up. This one's in very, very good condition. Somebody either spent a lot of money restoring it or somehow found a new one. So little things like that add up on a restoration. So that being said, you can see the still pictures of this car, as I mentioned, on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available, trades are considered, and this particular car also qualifies for an extended warranty. Feel free to email or call us for more information.